He ruled a small state trapped between two empires and survived longer than expected. As a teenager, Vlad was sent to the Ottoman court as a hostage, a guarantee of his father's loyalty. He was not imprisoned, but he was never free. He lived among power, discipline, and punishment made public. While Vlad was held there, his father was assassinated in Wallachia. His older brother was captured by Wallachian nobles and buried alive. The message was clear. Loyalty meant nothing, and power belonged to whoever could hold it. Shortly after, the Ottomans released Vlad, not out of mercy, but usefulness. They backed him as a ruler because he was controllable, a former hostage, a local prince who owed his throne to Ottoman support. Wallachia, in their eyes, was not meant to be independent. It was meant to be a buffer state that paid tribute and obeyed. Vlad briefly took the throne with Ottoman help and lost it just as quickly. Instead of disappearing, he waited. Years later, as the Ottomans and Hungarians clashed for influence, Vlad returned again. This time he took power decisively, eliminated rival claimants, and ruled without asking permission from either empire. That was when the relationship collapsed. Vlad stopped paying tribute. He executed Ottoman tax collectors. He attacked Ottoman-held towns south of the Danube. Inside Wallachia, he moved just as ruthlessly. The boyars who had betrayed his family were rounded up. Some were executed. Others were enslaved and worked to death rebuilding fortresses. Power was stripped from the old elite and handed to loyal men of lower rank. Authority became absolute. Punishment was immediate and public. Bodies were left on display. Fear traveled faster than soldiers. Impalement became his method, not because it was fast, but because it was controlled. The stake was inserted carefully, guided around vital organs. Victims could remain alive for days, dying slowly from thirst, infection, or exhaustion. The suffering was visible, the warning unmistakable. Crime collapsed, corruption vanished, order returned through terror. In 1462, the Ottoman Empire responded. Sultan Mehmed II marched north with a massive army to remove him. Vlad refused open battle. Instead, he burned crops, poisoned wells, and emptied villages. The land itself became hostile. Then he attacked at night. Disguised soldiers infiltrated the Ottoman camp, killing officers and spreading panic. The attempt to assassinate the Sultan failed, but fear spread through an army that had never expected resistance. As the Ottomans advanced toward the capital, they encountered something worse, a field of impaled bodies, thousands of them, arranged deliberately outside Târgoviște. Shortly after reaching Târgoviște, Mehmed II chose to withdraw. The field of impaled bodies shocked the army, but the deeper problem was strategic. Vlad had burned crops, poisoned wells, and avoided open battle, stretching Ottoman supply lines deep into hostile territory. Rather than risk a prolonged campaign, Mehmed pulled back and later backed Vlad's brother as ruler instead. The Ottomans did not defeat Vlad by force. They outlasted him, they replaced him, they waited, and they let internal divisions do the rest.